Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you send voice messages on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to send voice messages on your Discord, you just simply have to open your Discord application, and after opening the Discord, just simply open any of the chat where you want to send the voice message. For example, I'm opening this chat into here. Now, in order to send a voice message, just simply tap into this microphone icon at the bottom right, and after that allow the permission, and it will be successfully sent into the chat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.